It is here Ghana, the neighbor me know almost a hot in Ghana today. Kevin Taylor and Okatakyie Mensa. These two people, they are trending all over Ghana, across the country there. Obia air trend. I want to say, no. Kevin Taylor, only Ghana ha. A free for ever Ghana ha. But a free for a trending ever Ghana is here and unwash it. Because I know now starting to show go from. Now, only for now, could point to be said, a free for cray. The views are on your Facebook, the likes, and other. They say, or talk. A fake. Or talk. Kevin Taylor ever exposed a free for Mensa big time. Now, interestingly, now Kevin Taylor himself or expose a free for Mensa. But now who names say or no one casa and our exposing home. I high Penyah block media. Let's say any demo. Open like a video, no other room, over subscribe button, and some click the version of the latest update. Now, better watching. Edia mama ever comment section. Obaswa. No I share video no ma so any be ashe. Ubia ope beef there. These people are interested in the ongoing beef between Kevin Taylor and Okatakyie Mensa. Ubia Peter said he is the GOAT in journalism in Ghana here. Or na oye the GOAT. It is a omuna no bia ba betray shade at each other. Emma and example Kevin Taylor be threat a free for Mensa say obe taking something precious from him near the other. Emma I'm for say hey na say Kevin Taylor he could be this emotional.
I'll take something precious from you. And that's what I'll take from you.
Kevin Taylor. Yes, sir. Ain't taking anything precious from him. Ubiali a new show. Ubiala can some. I bet precious they be taking from him. Kwame Fifa back to back. You see a show no biari and a day. Them no see all kodo. Hey, would now be taking something from him. And some I guess I will Kevin Taylor can be near. And some I will join him there. You will age mates. I go for that next one. I don't know where we age mate. Massa, Kwame Fifa, Kevin Taylor, play on. Everybody, play on. You don't know Bobian family. You pay. Hey, no, you are born moon. Papa, you are showing the show. Because of the no crown, TikTokers, no. Fire Kevin Taylor kakra. Now let's go into it. I was just say, oh, you'll be able to follow for the records and Loud Silence TV. Because he said anytime these two pages be able to make post on Facebook now. And Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube now. Yeah, engagement and interactions. Crazy. We can engagement a number of people who are liking it, who are reacting with the post. Crazy. Because for sure, for the records, I know their partner high. And to me, who say be an idiot because now Okatakyie Mensa or trendy or trendy. Oko Twitter every day. Ni ding Okatakyie Mensa any for the records. I can't trending hashtags on Twitter. Oko TikTok every day. Trendy be. It for the records ne every Friday or trendy. One said and I'm from me say every Mensa or top fake this any other. About 4 days ago, that was Saturday. Anna Kevin Taylor, a corner near Facebook page that is Loud Silence TV with all due respect. And I think I make it put and I say fear in your heart. And I say fear in your heart. SSA. Unia chiremu ye na wasema wakandi. I say well kasa kwayanti ase bemu ye kakramai. And what's up make another post. And what everyone maintain. And I say Kevin, they be Kevin. On to me for you in Yagro. The old person worker. Why a crone nina yen moja beba can sem so. Everyone maintain. Okay, we have maintained. Yesterday train. And was happy make another post. And I order laughing emoji. And what do boats. And what this ika just will be a to boat and I will near air trade and I say Kevin. Why ne to boat ye? Can you go in the back row? Why ne to boat ye? And I will near make another post. And what say, how do you call Ghanaians living in Vietnam, Philippines, Mongolia, and Taiwan? I said, as my Kevin Taylor came there. Now, others will be a Ghanaian now say Vietnam, Philippines, Mongolia, and Taiwan. After all, anything corner, other than a course Kevin Taylor, then a course. You want to say, I drop a pink sheet. It didn't 10. And what a few names of Ghanaians living in Vietnam, Mongolia, Taiwan, and Philippines. And I said, oh, now but play ding. The question is, how did he manage to write all these names? Just say, Enyezu, now play ding in no post here. vutu SEO nyina nenemu yodika na SEO search engine optimization dan 2D to yen hwan just say edin pekesen ana Kevin Taylor ebe enu akire ma manfo adwen start call say any as Okatakyie from mensa ho asem na woni akan edi ekore Okatakyie from mensa edipa like ni post na say hu say din ni bi wo mu na say self from mensa o like say onye nyina woto say woto fragadam woto endokona funu ma fe person impress Ghana for woto entemu na free from mensa so be a post and better say they can't attack the message. So let's discredit the platform. Mobile blepa #focus. Just say asem na make na no hye. Muntimi attack asem je ene yenye bibi emfa send the page na. Odi go make that particular post. Na the followers in head and tear say papa. And also to also said they have hired people to buy fake likes onto the page to make a point. Omo high neighbors omonto fake views, both likes. Emegu page na so be o magina so de e dia ka asam what I say. So the trending on all social media too no we bought it ana 4 years is long mobile blepa and only I can say okay say mo see likes and views na egu page so say to a any trending now because for sure say me I can talk Twitter or trendy TikTok or trendy baby or trendy and what you say start trending na cost no so and also auto ana 4 years it will be long for NDC mobile blepa question think about the full say between say one dey na Kevin Taylor hunu say edin we no omufli Mongolia Vietnam Philippines and Taiwan because a page wo there wo na page yo there no onko na betime attract analytics ehu ba bia omomu hwe efri wonko se page me media this my page Penyah blog media me na me to check analytics is okay I have people watching me from these countries wonko and then na Kevin Taylor who say onye owner of the page only administrative access no to say nipa like page no are from these countries. That was the first question that drew attention and among for say omu make inquiries. Now to our dismay, ebusia yako Kevin Taylor page so. Na see scroll ye edin no e na ewo honom na uhwe bie no. What I say edin na the odinka ebetwe ye no. E ne gu ho no. Na say ye hwe na we all trying to see say ye benya the source because Okatakyie from mensa boy say e ni nya on the toy. It attract go do ni post na tell say everyone maintain no. And then I post I get the most likes because that is also the promoting no. And this post, I'm for can come and say, hey, this one there, every IT intellectual knows it can happen. It can't happen unless he shared his info to someone, whichever they say. And some bit my top fake likes, and yeah, just say, what share, what log into the accounts. This is what this person wants me. And let's open Umuma like this particular post. We are from Kevin Taylor's page. Loud Silence TV. Omo I like it post now. Interestingly, Yanko Momo I love it. Do you see the names over here? Do you see the names over here? Who didn't have so Hanomo? Who didn't go Hano? Let's scroll. A dinner Kevin Taylor by a list every go said. Someone a din way no. Are from Okatakyie Farmers Post's page. And you put more liking the page, and you know, interestingly, Kevin Taylor make it post that these people are the first people to like. They don't want to say a boat, say boats, or toy. They come with a love, they come to love it. Omo the hearts and eba. Omo the hearts and eba. A nipa, yeah, the computer na sheshe. Yeah, the computer and a sheshe. And you choose the name, but be a picture and so you can get African picture over there. But a dino address in nipa. She didn't a dear daho, when you power daho. You see, a dear a woho, never any power daho. A chese Kevin Taylor you are exposing someone. Na enkofuko ya who expose will be so more like will be posting or more and a good page more like him out. They don't comment. Interestingly, these people, you will never see their comment under Kevin Taylor's post, but they are the people who like the post. And this is one thing that exposes Kevin Taylor big time. And I mentioned Adeboha exactly last week, Saturday, 8th March 2025 year. May a comparison between Kevin Taylor and Loud Silence TV. And I'm able to win Abaso. Make it post to be a woman WhatsApp page. Penyah blog media. Make sure I say, where Saturday, any good that is last week, Saturday. And I'm trying to say, Kevin Taylor's page with 670,000 followers. His live stream performance. What I say, now that wire who is JB Dankwa. And I say, okay. Wow, and I was to get 80,000 plus views, crazy. And I'm sorry to say, for the records was live. I'm sorry to say, Okatakyie a free first page with just 140,000 followers. Just 2 hours ago, no 156,000 views. Now that particular time, like a free first person, new post, the live stream over here, no I hit 156,000 views in 2 hours. But then the post as of last week Saturday na me check no. Na Kevin Taylor a followers 670k 670,000. Na every fat there 140,000 respectively we will be at the account. Interestingly ene me go check the same Kevin Taylor ni page ana me name the last week Saturday was 670,000 anka now na all trend there no was anka ebi be ka ho ma no ko nanim no. Now, a swat abedru 611k. Okatakyie Mensa Bonsona ewo 140k. Now, I could do 161k. It means, bloggers be canceling actually. Obi a blogger, and as Obi a website developer, Obi a work with panels at your top views, any followers. If you want to be a better say auto views, auto likes, auto followers. Eba otone na ni nyaba begu so enne with time na eso has ye etete with time na so start etete na so start etete na etete ana de be hunu say e fake ene say oto na ebegu mu ve it doesn't go enkonenim obeza ho na eso at boom. How come say Kevin Taylor you are trending? Because now you are trending. Now we page you always say 70,000, and then what about that 611k? And then what happened? Within a week, less than a week, just this Saturday, less than a week, 4 days in a nipa almost 59,000. I won't follow. How come? So this is to prove that Kevin Taylor page. Everything on the page is fake. No likes, no views, no followers. I've proven to you. Auto fake likes. Every page so. Set up your obey now to make points. Auto on one letter. And as a person with top fake likes, I don't need logins to your page. I just need suppose a person with top likes. It was here. I'll just copy the post link and no. Me copy the post link. I can buy it for you. So Kevin Taylor has exposed himself. He thought he was exposing Okatakyie Mensa, but indirectly, Kevin Taylor is exposing him. The followers last week Saturday, now it was 670,000, and now at abeda 611,000. What happened? Auto fake followers, and no one is so etete. Let's obey yes or more. Like here free for page. Interestingly, on one. O mana like ni page. Ubeto na chire wa dwene e wa comment section. Aha Penyah blog media. Akra.